outfit looks. And welcome back to another Get Ready With Me video. I think today I will do a 3-in-1. And yeah, I just put in my contacts. My face looks crusty. Don't mind me because my mirror is over here, so I will be looking over here. So yeah, welcome. And that's why we're gonna use this Melanin Skin Food Self-Love Skincare Skin Glow Serum. It looks like this. It's made in South Africa and it has many different oils. It says rosehip oil, marula oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, lemongrass and tea tree oil. Like this. You see that? My face now looks better. It's looking more glowy. When you have really dry skin, always use some oil. So anyways, let's start with our hair. Let's start with the hair first because the hair has to lay down a little bit while I'm doing my makeup, so that's why I'm gonna start with it. I did open some of the hair. I always do braids under my wigs and everything, but this time I did let some hair open and the other one I did into braids. I made them into braids because I'm gonna wear a headband wig, so that's why I did this method like this. Normally I would maybe straighten the hair at the front, but I won't do that because heat is not that good for the hair. Not even that good. It's not good anyway. So that's why I'm gonna go into my Eco Styling Gel, the olive one. I recommend buy only the olive one. I have two other ones and they suck, so I recommend the original. So like this, and now I'm gonna take old, I don't know how to call this, but it's from some tights. Yeah, from some tights, the leg. And I just cut it off and then I'm using it for this. And it's one of the best ideas I ever had because this helps really to smooth the hair. So like this, and then we're gonna create the baby hairs and then we're done with the hair. And for my baby hairs I use the got2b gel, the yellow one. Then let's create some baby hair. Hey! Just like this. So now guys, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. For my eyebrows I'm gonna use their brow gel by MakeUp. It's the best brow gel I ever used. And I'm also using their brush. Looks like this. It has two sides, one spoolie and the brush side, 2-in-1. That's nice. Yeah, and then I'm gonna create a new brow. This brow is okay, but this one, you see that? You can't really see it. I don't know how it happened that this eyebrow lost so much hair and this is like full. It's a full one. You see that? How full it is. So somehow like this. I'm gonna leave it like this and then we're gonna clean it. We can't really leave it like this, you know. To clean my eyebrows I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty concealer. This one is it's from the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in the number 450. I'm just using it to clean my eyebrows, so let's clean them. So guys, we're done with the eyebrows. Now, the eyebrows always take time. Like, I don't like that, but it is what it is. So now I'm gonna do our eyes. For that, so for my eyes, I decided to use my new palette. It's by Juviasplace. It looks like this. It's the chocolates. Oh yeah, the chocolate. And these are the colors. I think I'm gonna use this concealer by Revolution Makeup. It's this one. The Fast Base Concealer in C13. Lightweight buildable coverage. to conceal dark circles and imperfection. I'm gonna use it too. I'm using it as a base for my eye. So guys, we're gonna start with this color and we're gonna build like outline for our eye. This is not going to be the transitioning color, it's just color for outlining our eye. And I'm always starting with a V, like not a V, or I'm always starting like I'm pretending to do like a liner. I always start with a fake line up. Oh my god, the colors. I love the pigmentation of Juviasplace. So now we're gonna go into this lighter brown color. This is my transitioning color. And we are gonna just work it above dark brown. Connecting everything. So guys, now the next color. I'm thinking about using this one or this one. I don't know. One of these. Maybe I'm gonna go with this one, the lighter one. No, I'm gonna go with the dark one. This one, I'm gonna go with this one. And I'm creating a cut crease with this one. With that color, like this. You see that? Easy. Creating a half cut. Like this. Easy. This is such an easy but sexy mixy looking look. I am in love, and I'm not really trying to create a cut, but I take the color also and blend it above with the first color, so we don't really have a clean cut, you know. I'm not really trying to do a cut crease. We don't have to have a clean cut. You see that? So I think that's it for my eyes for now. You know what? I'm gonna use my eyeliner, but I'm not gonna line the whole eye. I'm just gonna, you will see what I'm doing. Like, I can't really just explain. Do something like this. You see that? That's it. That's the only thing I'm gonna do. That's it. You see that? Now I'm gonna put on my lashes and then I will be right back. Guys, I'm done with my lashes. Now let's finish the hair. Like I already told you, I'm gonna wear this curly headband wig. Everything will be down below. First thing first, I'm gonna brush it out a little bit. So let me take off this. The hair is okay. Now let's put on the headband wig. Also, I'm gonna use it's a replica headband or scarf from LV. It's not the real one, but I'm gonna use it anyway. So let me check what. So like this. Now I'm gonna spray it with some water so the curls come down and then it's not that puffed up anymore. My water. When you wet your curly hair, it comes back to life. So let's finish the face. For my primer, I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter primer, the Soft Silk Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. What I like about the Fenty one is that it is really hydrating. It's like a moisturizer. It's really nice. So you see that? Oh my god! And this primer smells so good, guys. This primer smells so good, like ooh. Anyways, for my foundation, I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty foundation. It's the Fox Filter High Coverage Cream Foundation. I am in the color Nutmeg. And what I really like about Huda Beauty foundation and Huda Beauty product, they always smell so good. So guys, now for my concealer, I'm gonna use this one that I use for my eyeshadow base, the Revolution MakeUp Concealer, Fast Base Concealer, Lightweight, Buildable Coverage, Conceal Dark Circle and Imperfections, and I chose the color C13. Blend out my concealer. As you can see, I am using my beauty sponge, a wet beauty sponge. To contour my face, I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty contour stick. It's the matchstick. It's called Matte Skin Stick in the color Espresso. Espresso, not Espresso, it's Espresso. And I am contouring my face with this one. Just like this. And as always, I'm using a brush to blend out the contour. So now I'm gonna set the highlight with this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder, instant retouch setting powder it says, and I am in the color Nutmeg. Also I have two of them, but the color Nutmeg, I like the color. It's a really nice color. It really matches nice with my complexion. So guys, now I'm gonna set the dark contour. For that I'm gonna use my Revolution MakeUp with Tammi. It's a cooperation with Tammi. I don't know Tammi, but it's called Golden Hour. And there I'm gonna use here I'm gonna use the contour shade. It's called Contour Cheek. Now I'm gonna use my foundation brush that I used before. I think there's some products left, but I always do this step. Go through my face with my foundation brush and like just dust off excess powder and marry everything together like this. See that? We still have some lines, but they are not so harsh anymore. Okay. So now I'm going to use a mascara. This mascara is the best mascara I ever had. It looks like this. This is the More Volume mascara by We Makeup, and it's one of the best mascaras I've ever used. So for my cheeks, I'm gonna go back into this palette and use the Blushed Baby Girl, it's called. For my cheeks, with my blush color like this. It's a nice one, I like it. So for my highlight, I'm gonna use this highlighter. It's by Laura Mercier. It's the Mineral Illuminating Powder in the color Candlelight. Yeah, Candlelight. I think I would say it's a more icy looking highlighter. Some brownish, with some brownish glitter particle. See that? The highlight. Oh, it's popping. The highlight is popping. It's popping. That highlighter is popping. So we almost done with our makeup. So for my lips, I'm gonna outline my lips with my favorite NYX lip liner in the color Club Hopper. This lip liner is my favorite one. And I'm gonna use this. It's looking like this. It's the Revolution MakeUp Matte liquid lipstick in the color Matte Plump 148. So guys, we are almost done. I'm done with my lips. Now the final step is our setting spray. I'm using the Revolution MakeUp Rose Fix Makeup Fixing Spray, and it smells really good. Yes! Whew. Guys, we are done. We are done with our hair. The hair is the easiest part from all. We are done with our makeup. This is the makeup. And now let's move on to our outfit. I think something like this. I will go out something like this. You can see it. It's the outfit I would wear. I would wear something like this. You see it. My skirt and my this skirt, like I told you, is from New Yorker. The shoes are from Zara, but many moons ago, and the top is also from Zara last year. And the necklace and the earrings, I'm gonna link them down below. My headband, I also already told you it's a replica headband. I won't link it, but it's not the real one. Yeah, I think I think that's it. Like, yeah, that's my outfit. Oh, it looks so cute. My outfit looks so cute. Like, oh guys, look in the mirror. My outfit looks bomb. My outfit looks nice. My outfit is nice. I like this outfit. I like the outfit. It's such a nice outfit. It's easy, but it's nice. It's really nothing special, nothing major. Just this crop top, the skirt, and then that's it. But it looks so nice. It looks fancy. It looks like I'm going out to a special event or something. The hair is nice. Everything looks so nice, so put together. Like, I like it. I like this outfit. So yeah, now I have to do some pictures, and then that's it for this video, I think. Guys, this is the end of this video. My hair, my makeup, my outfit. If you like those kind of videos, the 3-in-1 videos, then don't forget to subscribe somewhere. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I think see you in my next one. And don't forget to subscribe. Did I already say that? I don't know. Anyways, guys, bye.